Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news, mtHOV news rolling on the screen. Oh, walk to the kitchen and make my...
Hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I have been working very hard on this guest bedroom makeover under $500. I've been thrift shopping and doing some DIY projects in order to stick to my budget. My final total ended up being $490, so I'm very excited with how everything turned out given the amount of money that I was working with. Like I mentioned, I did do a few DIY projects in here. The first was this accent wall, and then I also did the nightstands next to the bed. So I do have a YouTube tutorial for both of those DIY projects, and I'll share the link to those videos in my description below. So first, I'll give you guys a tour of what the room looked like before I did anything, and then I'll show you the whole process of how I got the room to this point. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of what the bedroom looks like before I start doing anything in here. I really don't have a lot to work with, which is kind of fun because I get to start with a blank slate. So I'll give you a tour of what I have to work with, and then I'm gonna start taking everything out of here.
I learned to cook from videos online. Oh, yeah, we all have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao, and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Makeover while the world...
We have textured walls, so I'm putting this smooth 1/4 inch hardboard down first. Then I will add all of the 1x3 boards on top of that. You can find the link to the full tutorial for this board and batten wall in the description below. I go way more in depth during that tutorial.
We'll both be in Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be.
Honestly, I could just like see myself chilling, Tuscany, cute little dress, looking all cute.
Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news, mtHOV news rolling on the screen. Oh, walk to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. Wave at the older man, get in a suntan on his balcony. Oh, yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao, and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be. Go back to my room, I pick up the laptop to join a work call. I don't think Karen knows that she's wearing her sweatshirt inside out. Oh, water on my plants, and I just might take a painting, read every book, then I'll learn to cook from videos online. Oh, yeah, we all have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao, and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be. sunflower field, yeah. Warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees.
These Ikea Rast dressers were a great deal. They were only $40, but they were pretty plain, so I decided to customize them a bit. I added a piece of plywood and 4 legs to the bottom of the dresser to give it some height, and so I could have a little shelf for books or decor. You can find the link to the full tutorial for this Ikea hack in the description below.
Looking all cute.
Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news, mtHOV news rolling on the screen. Oh, walk to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. Wave at the older man, get in a suntan on his balcony. Oh, yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field, yeah. Warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Makeover while the world ends. That's where I will be. Go back to my room, I pick up the laptop to join a work call. I don't think Karen knows that she's wearing her sweatshirt inside out. Oh, water on my plants, and I just might take a painting, read every ebook, then I'll learn to cook from videos online. Oh, yeah, we all have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to...
Okay, so the room is almost finished. I have a few final decor touches that I need to add. Before I do that though, I wanted to go through everything that I bought that I included in the $500 budget, and then what I already had laying around the house that I'm going to use for this space also. So everything that I can, I will link in the description below. Some of these things I found at thrift stores, so I won't be able to link those, but I will do my best with linking all the products that you see in this bedroom. Okay, so I will start with the bed here. I got this off Facebook Marketplace. The brand is Coaster Fine Furniture. I got this for $150. It was a great find. I was a little sketched out. The address that the guy gave me was to a random warehouse, and it turned out that he had a lot of really cool furniture. So really good find, $150 for this bed. Next we have the curtains. They have this really pretty floral detail. These are from HomeGoods, and they were $20 for 2 panels. So I'm actually going to return these 2 panels because I already have 2 installed. I thought 4 might work up there, but I think 2 looks perfect. The curtain rod is from Amazon for $25, and then these curtain rings are from Home Depot. Each pack came with 7 rings, and I used 6 on each curtain panel. This is a throw blanket. I got this from HomeGoods for $25. I love the little fringe, and the gray works really well with the accent wall. One more purchase from HomeGoods. This little picture was $10. I love the little beaded accent and a little pop of color. Another decor find. This was $25 from Pier 1, but it was $20 for their big going out of business sale. I wanted to go with a little bit of the Sailboat theme. I bought this big picture from Goodwill, and it was only $8. Next is the accent wall and the nightstand. The nightstands are actually 3-drawer dressers from Ikea. They were both only $40, and then I added some cute knobs from Home Depot. The total cost for the nightstand DIY was $116. Then this board and batten accent wall, I was able to do under $100, and I think this is a great way to make a huge statement for not a lot of money.
Warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany.
Now we'll go over all the things that I had laying around the house. So these two pictures I actually got when I lived in Wisconsin. They're $6 each. These two plants I bought from Ikea. They were both only $5 each. And then this bigger plant I had in my closet from Target. This mirror I also had in my closet. That was a bit of a splurge. This was from Home Goods for $60. The books I had in our office, and I just took the book covers off to mute them a little bit. And then these lamps I had from a long time ago. I think I bought them from Walmart, but I'll try to find the link for those. So that is about it for what I'm using from home. The box spring and the mattress I already had, and I already have some bedding that I'm going to use for the space that I'm not including in the $500 budget.
Birds are singing in cypress trees, Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Makeover, while the world ends, that's where I will be. In a sunflower field, yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing.